So, you want to know how small slimes actually work now, do you? Well, you've come to the right place, I'll tell you that much. So how do small slimes actually work? Well, you see right here that I can go ahead and sit down, cross my legs, lay back and relax, lay down if I so choose to do so, and of course, if I really want to, climb a ladder. And now I'll show you a time lapse of 1 hour of me just sitting in my chair, moving a little bit and so on, and I'll also answer some questions. The first question that gets asked is how long does battery life last? If you do the same build that I do, which is in the eye corner right now, you get around about 30 days if you play for 7 hours a day, and that was with a bit of testing physically and calculating the rest because I'm not bothered to test that. As you can also notice through the time lapse, the percentage goes down by 2. So that's just something to keep aware. I could be wrong in this sense of battery life. Another thing is how long does the range last? I'd say it definitely lasts like 8 meters with a 10 centimeter thick wall in between that, and that is what I got for it to still be reliable and for it to still work. And as you might have noticed, my upper torso started moving to the side. Now, I didn't show this in the video, I didn't record it, but you can double tap the tracker on the top on your chest and it resets into the sitting position. So if you're just sitting down, you can go into a straight sitting position and double tap your tracker and it will align you back to how it was before. No need to recalibrate and so on. And that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions, leave them below. Hopefully I've shown you enough about how well it performs. Bye.